let's go ahead and work on the double brick stitch. So I'm taking 4 beads, and I'm going to go ahead and fold it over. I'm going to go ahead and go up through one side and then go up through the other side. All right, it's doing that same thing that we saw earlier. It's going to be okay because this is going to even out. I'm going to grab 2 more beads. And again, whatever way our string is hanging is where we're going to put our needle. So if it's going down, we're going to go down. Grab 2 more beads. So now it's going up. So now I'm going to move my needle up. Grab 2 more beads. Now I'm going to go down. Grab 2 more beads. It's going up. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 7. 8. 9. All right, so this right here, we've officially built our foundation for our double brick stitch. Okay, so we have our 9 across, and now we're going to complete that same process where we're favoring one of our threads on one side, and we're going to keep it there and not flip this over. Hopefully I don't. And then we're going to use this string and go back and forth. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with 4. So you're going to get your 4. You're going to skip over that first one. We're going to go through our second one. And see how we have 2 sitting right here? So now we're going to go up through 2, down through 2, and back up through the 2, and watch this. Now we're getting ready. See how it's our double brick stitch is working? And we're going to keep that consistency the whole way through. So we're going to grab 2 beads, go through here, go back up here, grab 2 beads, go through here, go back up. Okay. All right, now we're still going to go ahead and grab our 4, because remember, each time you do this, you're going to do by 4. You're going to go through this second one, go up through this, down through this, and back up through these, and they'll straighten up and lock into position. There you go. And do you see how this is kind of just working its way up? And that's how you do this double brick stitch. Same concept as the single brick stitch, is just now you're working with a little bit more beads. Always again from the back to the front. Okay. And then now again, grab your 4 beads. I know it seems like a lot of these are tipping, and they kind of almost are. This is another thing you can always try to practice on your tension. I know when I pull mine seems to pull a little bit too tight, which could be causing that curl-like effect. So be careful when you're practicing how to do this. Obviously with the smaller threads, smaller beads, it should be a little bit more easier to do. I'm going to go ahead and swap out my thread. There goes. Okay. When we're doing something like this, I need it to start from that end. So what you're going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So go through here. Keep about that standard 5-6 inches. Go down. Now I've also seen people do something like this, where they'll go under that thread, go like this, pull it through that thread and tighten it, and then they'll go up. Again, this is yarn, so it's a little bit thicker thread, and boom, it hides that knot that you just made. Oops. So I guess I didn't go over enough. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna go back under that one, and I'm going to go up through here. That way we're right in position of where we need to be. Okay? All right. Now let's go ahead and grab our 4 beads. Going in that second one. Up through the 2. Down through the 2, and now up through the 2, all right, let's go ahead and grab our 2 beads at a time. Let me show you where we're at so far compared to the single stitch. So the double, and then you got the single, and see how it's building that taper. So let's go ahead and go another 4 beads. Go up the 2, down by 2, up by 2, grab 2 more beads, okay. Now again, people usually stop here, but I'm going to keep on taking it up, and the reason why I'm doing it is just to give you guys an example of what it will look like. There you go. And then, all right, now you take your last 4 beads. And go up it, down, and back up. And then you can do that same concept where you grab, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads, and now you have your little hoop, kind of like what you did with that one. Now, as you see, it does make it longer. Again, you don't need to go up as high as I did, but I chose to go up this high, but you can stop anywhere you feel that you would want to stop. And then work your thread back down towards the bottom if you have a long enough thread, which I feel in this case we do. And then we can go ahead and start our fringe. And we could do the same concept where we're applying our 10 beads. Since I'm running out of the white ones, let's go ahead and do the purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. And let's do our 10th one, the white color. That way we have some color to look at with it. Now I've been showing you by 1, but you can honestly go up by 2. Again, keeping it a little bit loose. Then we can go ahead, go down 2. And then we can do our 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And now we can go ahead and do our 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we'll do 1, 2, let me grab one more other bead, 3. We're always going to end it with that fancy one so that way you guys can see the difference. And there you go. So now we've created a double brick stitch, a single brick stitch, and a square stitch. Now let's work on learning how to do some peyote stitches. I look forward to seeing you in the next class. To learn techniques like this and more, make sure you're registering for Beading University today.